5 years ago, researching a stock properly took hours. Today, with the right AI tools, you can do the same research in under 20 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly which AI tools serious investors are using right now and how to use them to make smarter, faster decisions in the market. Welcome back to Market Mindset, where we break down markets, money, and now the technology that's changing how both work. If you watched our last video on how to research Reliance Industries, today we're going a level deeper, showing you the AI tools that make that entire research process faster and sharper. Before AI, here's what stock research looked like. You'd open the company's annual report, sometimes 300 pages long. You'd manually calculate ratios. You'd search news articles one by one. You try to understand complex financial language that took years to learn. Most retail investors simply didn't have time for this, so they relied on tips, headlines, and gut feeling instead. That's exactly why most retail investors lose money. Not because markets are unfair, but because they're making decisions without proper information. AI changes this completely. The first tool is Perplexity AI, and it's free. Think of it as Google, but instead of showing you 10 links and making you read each one, it reads everything for you and gives you a summarized, sourced answer in seconds. Here's how to use it for stock research. Open Perplexity and type, "Give me a summary of Reliance Industries' financial performance in the last 12 months, including revenue growth, debt levels, and any major business developments." Within seconds, you get a comprehensive, sourced summary that would have taken you 45 minutes to compile manually. You can also ask it, "What are the biggest risks facing the Indian oil and gas sector in 2026? Or, how has Geo's subscriber growth affected Reliance's overall revenue?" These are the exact questions a professional analyst asks. And now you can get answers in seconds. The second tool is Claude AI. Where Perplexity is great for quick research, Claude is better for deep thinking and analysis. Here's a specific way to use it for investing. Copy-paste a company's key financial numbers, revenue, profit, debt, assets, directly into Claude and ask, "Analyze these financial figures and tell me what they suggest about this company's financial health, growth trajectory, and any red flags I should be aware of." Claude will give you a nuanced analysis that breaks down exactly what the numbers mean in plain language. You can also use Claude to compare two companies. Ask, "Compare the financial health of Reliance Industries versus ONGC based on these numbers," and paste both companies' data. Getting a side-by-side analysis like this used to require a financial analyst. Now it takes 30 seconds. The third tool isn't AI, but it works perfectly with AI. Screener.in is a free Indian stock research platform that gives you 10 years of financial data for any listed company in a clean, organized format. Here's the workflow that combines both. Go to Screener.in, find any company, copy their key financial data, revenue, profit, debt, ROE for the last 5 years. Then paste that data into Claude and ask for analysis. You've just combined real Indian market data with AI-powered interpretation. This is exactly how sophisticated retail investors research stocks today. Now, here's something I want to be honest about. AI tools are powerful research assistants, but they are not infallible. They can make mistakes. They can miss context. They don't have real-time data unless connected to the internet. Use AI to speed up your research and understand information faster, but always verify important numbers from official sources like the company's annual report or BSE and NSE filings. AI gives you a starting point and a framework. Your own judgment makes the final decision. Think of AI like a very fast, very knowledgeable research assistant who works for free. You still need to be the decision maker. So to summarize, Perplexity AI for quick research and news summaries, Claude AI for deep financial analysis and comparisons. screener.in for clean Indian stock data. Combined together, these three tools give any retail investor research capabilities that were previously only available to professional fund managers. All three tools I mentioned today are free to use. Links are in the description below. If this video helped you think differently about how you research stocks, subscribe to Market Mindset. We post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Drop a comment below. Which AI tool are you going to try first? I read every single one. Remember, this is educational content only. Do your own research before making any investment decisions. See you in the next one.